Welcome back. In this video we will talk about a class, how we can use the class and what the class is used for. Here inside your source you right click on the file and you will go to the new and select the Kotlin file or class. Then here inside the kind you will go and choose a class this time. Okay, you will select the class and you will name the class, for example, person. Okay, then we'll say okay. Now we have a class of person. What we can do with this class of person, we can add the information for this class. For example, as you remember, we have variable. For example, this person have a first name of string, then they have a last name of string, and also they have another information like for example age of integer. Okay, for example, this class, they have three different information. So the class is like a blueprint of something. Like for example, this is a personality, what the name of this person, what the name of this, the last name of this person, and how old he is or she is, whatever. So this is the class name. That this way you can use the class. Then later on you can use this class to get the information. Okay, for example, if I will make a new class, and this time yeah, let's go make a new class, or let's make an object, for example, and we will say person service. Okay, so inside this person service, actually what we can do, we can get or access or add information to this person class. How we can do that? We can say var or val person, and this one is equal to, we can say list of, okay, and inside this open and close bracket, we can start access the class information. So the class information is called person. All you have to do, bring up this person class, like right here we have person, and if you see the error is go away, now error is on the person. Now you have to open it, and if you see, it's give you a three option and say, okay, what the name of this person and the last name of this person or the age of this person. For example, you can throw up something here, and I will simply pass in my name and the last name, and for example the age, which should be the integer. So right now we add one information to this person class. We can go to another one and we can do the same thing. Again, person, not process, person, and the person again, for example, this time David, Day, or Dana, something simple, Abdul, and for example this dude is 35 years old. And so if you see here, we have a comma to separate one list of collection to another list of collection. So this is simply, we can call them object, which this object is include three value. The first value is first name, the second value is last name. Then we have another object which we have three value as well, and between the first object and the second object we separate this information. Okay, now if I will go to the function, okay, if I will come back to function, and inside here, what I can do, I can say print line, then I have to go to the person service, okay, and then I can access to this person, then I can get the size of this information that they have. So how many information, or how many people inside this class is stored, it will going to show me how many is it. Okay, if I will play, and I can get, oh, okay, so we are inside the function, so make sure you choose the function when you play the information, and here we can see we get 2. And now if I will do the for loop for this guy, if I will say for x in, then if I will pass in this information, which is just a list of information, if I will, but let me remove whatever print I have in here, so make sure the print is not going to make me a headache. If I will print out this x, and let's see what will gonna happen. Okay, and now let's print, and you can see this happen. It will give us the information, but the information is not quite there. But if I will put dot, and you can see now we have an age and the first name and the second name. So like before I told you, this information that we have here is an object, and the object is separated by ID. So the person we have is a class name at, then the number beside this is an ID for this information. So now if I will get this here, and if I will say dot, for example, if I wanted to just access the age for this class, and if I will run it again, and you can see it's bring out 2 informations. The first one is 30 and the second one is this one. Okay, now let's do lambda informations that we talked about before. Let's go to the lambda and change the class to the lambda as well. And this boolean that I told you about, let's work with that. Let's say fun get person. Okay, then we have the something like this, then open and close. And if I will here, if I will say person, okay, and the person is a type of something, and return unit. Okay, for example, person is a type of person, and we will return unit. And inside this informations, if I will say for person, for x in person, then print, okay, actually let's not remove this for person. So here we have this, then if I will say get person, and inside this lambda expression we have a person information. So if I will say person, and now I can access this person information dot age and first name and the last name. So this is how you can do it inside the information, inside the classes, and how you can connect these class together, and how you can work with class. Let's recap again. Class is this, just start up with name class and the name of the class that you will give it to. Okay, then you will set the value for this class, and later on we can retrieve data and put these data inside there, as we did it inside this person service, and we put the person the first person object and the second person object. Then you can add even more, but make sure between each object you have a comma, but the last object should not have any comma. Okay, which it simply, you will tell the code, okay, this is the last one, last information that I have for the person class, and I don't need any information to add from here. But you can add it as much as you want for this information, but later on we will learn more about it in the first application when we create it, and we understand about class and how we can use it, how we can access each one of these class later on. Okay, thank you for watching. We will be continuing the next one.